We are wrapping up the audio setup in the 65 Caprice. We're building the amp rack, finishing the sub box, and getting it all put together. You guys know the drill. Let's get into it.
Before you see the interior trunk pieces for the 65 Caprice that we've been working on. I currently just finished all this up. Let's get into how everything works. Right here we have the 4th order blow through for the ski slot. This is the top piece so you don't see any gaps across the top. So right here across the middle is going to be an acrylic view window. It'll allow you to see into the sub, see the real custom paint job, all the nice vinyl inside the box. We'll have a nice ambient lighting that's amber. Right here we have the amp rack, so we can mount our JL amps on there. This is the panel that magnets to the top of it to finalize it out so you don't see any of the mounting points or anything like that. Here on the sides, we have our 2-piece panels for the trunk, so you can access both batteries on the passenger and the driver's side. This goes in first, then this cool little piece right here just kind of magnets on and it hides everything so you can get easy access to the trunk batteries without having to worry about pulling the whole trunk apart. We have our little access door right here. It's not quite finished yet. I have to wrap some material still into here and do some work in there, but to see that, you'll have to stay tuned.
Our 65 Caprice is finally finished. You gotta see this trunk. Let's check it out. You have the 4th order blow-through sub box with both of the JL Audio 12-inch subs pointed inside of the cockpit. All of that sound ported right inside the cabin. We also loaded the rear decklid with 4 8-inch subs, so this thing is pushing some serious bass. You have the trunk floor with usable trunk space. You can still store all of your stuff if you want to in here. The amp rack sitting really pretty right behind it, and of course the 2 sides. So if you need to service the batteries, you can just pull those side panels off and access those very easily. And of course, you can't forget about the center console that holds the Kenwood head unit, supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and looks right at home in the cabin. I'm really impressed with the way this car came together. The team did a great job. And we got a ton more audio builds like this on our channel right now. Click down below, subscribe, hit the bell icon. You gotta get notified when we drop videos like this. We'll see you guys next week.